Welcome to the Car Truth today. We're taking a look at the 2026 luxury motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a futuristic mansion on wheels. This isn't just a mobile living space, it's a technological marvel and a design masterpiece built for the future of travel. Asterisk from the outside. This motorhome commands attention with its wide body, aerodynamic silhouette, and full-body chrome finish that gleams under any light. Futuristic LED light bars wrap around the front and rear, while adaptive matrix headlights scan the road ahead with AI-powered sensors. The body sits on a reinforced titanium aluminum alloy chassis, supported by smart hydraulic suspension that self-adjusts based on terrain. It rides like a cloud, whether you're parked in the desert or cruising along a winding coastal highway. Asterisk, as you step inside, the motorized glass door opens to reveal a stunning, open-concept interior. Everything here screams ultra-modern luxury. The floors are made of heated, recycled carbon fiber panels. The walls are covered in ambient LED panels that change mood colors or display panoramic scenery based on your destination. There are no traditional windows. Instead, you get smart glass that becomes transparent, tinted, or turns into a full HD screen at the touch of a button. Asterisk, the main lounge features a spacious L-shaped sofa wrapped in vegan leather with built-in massage and cooling functions. Across from it sits a paper-thin old 85-inch screen that emerges from the cabinet with voice command. There's also a floating fireplace that runs on water vapor, creating the illusion of real flames without any heat or hazard. Asterisk, the kitchen is compact but high-tech. It includes a voice-controlled induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, and a zero-waste smart refrigerator that alerts you when you're low on supplies. A retractable dining table made of polished bamboo extends from the wall complete, with foldable chairs hidden beneath the floor panels, asterisk in the rear. The master bedroom feels like a 5-star suite. The queen-size bed levitates slightly for pressure-free sleeping and is surrounded by soft, ambient lights embedded in the ceiling. A skylight above reveals the stars at night, which you can also close with a voice command if you want privacy. Smart climate zones keep each room at the perfect temperature automatically, learning your preferences over time. The bathroom is more like a spa. It includes a rain shower with built-in aromatherapy, a self-cleaning toilet, and smart mirrors that double as fitness trackers and virtual assistants. Everything is voice-activated or app-controlled, even the door locks and the exterior awning. Asterisk, under the hood, this motorhome runs on a next-gen dual hydrogen fuel cell system with a range of over 1,200 miles per refill. Solar panels on the roof power the interior and charge backup batteries stored in the undercarriage. Asterisk, this 2026 luxury motorhome is not just built for travel, it's built for transformation. Whether you're working remotely, living full-time on the road, or just escaping for the weekend, this futuristic marvel turns every trip into a first-class experience. Asterisk, for more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Car Truth.